Welcome to another nanoStream tutorial. I'm Josi from nanocosmos. As you may know, the nanoStream platform is growing and streaming is just the beginning. In this video, I will show you how to set up live captions in the nanoStream dashboard and how to configure the same settings using the Bintu API. We will look at transcription and translation, how to set up captions in the dashboard, captions, playout links and tokens, API examples, and important notes like when captions start and stop. Let's get started. Live captions turn spoken words from a live stream into text in real time. There are two types: transcription, the spoken language and the caption language are the same, and translation. The spoken language is translated into other languages. Live captions are an important tool for real-time streams. They make your stream more accessible and help more people understand and follow your content. Because live captions are part of the nanoStream platform, your stream stays truly real-time. Everything works in one simple setup, so you don't need any big or complicated integrations. Before you start, you need a few things. Live captions must be enabled for your account by sales or support. Your account must be secure to use captions. You need a JWT token to authenticate the caption player. Note, this token is not used in API calls. For API use, you also need your Bintu API key and the stream ID. Now we can continue. You can enable live captions while creating a new stream, or you can add captions to an existing stream. Both ways work. At the bottom of the Create Stream page, you will find the section Live Captions. Here you can choose the caption engine, the source language, the target languages, and you will see links to documentation. If you don't select anything, the default is English to English, which means simple transcription. Source language, the language spoken in the stream. Target language, the languages you want to translate into. You can select more than one. For example, if the speaker talks in German, you can translate the captions into English, Spanish, or Turkish. After you create the stream, new tabs appear in your stream overview: captions, playout, and live captions. These are important for the next steps. In the caption playout tab, you will see one link for every target language you selected. Each link already includes all needed information: stream name, channel name, languages and the caption token, and JWT token for live secure playback and captions. When your stream goes live, captions will appear automatically. In the dashboard, all caption playout links and tokens are created automatically. When using the API, this does not happen. You assemble the caption URL yourself with a query string for your embedded or custom player. You can change your caption settings at any time, add languages, remove them, or disable captions. Important: if the stream is already running, you must restart it for changes to work. This is called re-ingest. Captions start automatically when your stream starts. Captions also stop automatically when your stream stops. This works the same in the dashboard and with the API. In the dashboard, you can also create custom tokens. This is helpful for events or temporary access. When you create a new token, all caption playout links update automatically. Now let's look at how to configure captions with the API. For transcription, there is one important rule: do not set target languages. Here's a correct example. This creates English transcription. For translation, you add one or more target languages. The source language is what the speaker uses. Target languages are the translate captions. In the dashboard, you will also find ready-to-use iframe code snippets. These help you embed the caption player into a website or application quickly. Each language has its own snippet. To summarize, live captions work in the dashboard and with the API. Transcription, only source language. Translation, source language plus target languages. Captions start and stop automatically with the stream. If you change settings, you must re-ingest the stream. Captions, playout links and tokens are created automatically. You can use iframe snippets for easy integration. Live captions are a simple and powerful way to support audience in real time. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand live captions in the dashboard and with the API. If you need help, feel free to contact our support or sales team. And if you want more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.